Amazon Echo Show 8, 3rd Gen. Review: is it worth it? Ready to take your smart home experience to the next level? Meet the Echo Show 8, 3rd Gen. With spatial audio and a stunning display, this device packs incredible features. But is it worth the $149.99 price tag? Let's break it down. The Echo Show 8's spatial audio fills any room with immersive sound, perfect for streaming music, videos, or video calls. Its crisp, edge-to-edge display boosts clarity, making entertainment and daily use not just convenient but enjoyable for everyone at home. Managing your smart home has never been easier. Control devices like lights, thermostats, and cameras effortlessly using Alexa or the intuitive touchscreen. Plus, customizable widgets make accessing information a breeze, adding efficiency to your daily routines. At $149.99, it's powerful, but not for everybody's budget. Also, it depends on stable internet. No connection means limited functionality. Privacy concerns? The camera offers a physical shutter, but an always-online device isn't for everyone. The Echo Show 8, 3rd Gen, is a smart, stylish, feature-packed choice that excels in connectivity and usability. Love smart homes and top-notch entertainment? You found your match. Not sure yet? Like and subscribe to our channel for more tech guides.